Welcome back, everyone. Thanks for checking out another video. I have this BMW in the shop for a tune today. Normally I don't tune BMWs, but as you can probably guess, this thing has a K-swap in it, so I've made an exception and we're tuning this BMW today. Like usual, the tune's all done, put down some good numbers. I'm gonna go through the details of this build, share some shots of the dyno pulls, and then we'll share the final results at the end. So this is a 1991 BMW 318i, two-door, convertible. I believe these are E30 chassis, and I'm a huge fan of these cars. I would own one of these in, say, a four-door or a two-door coupe with a hardtop, and I would do what the owner has done to this car. The owner has swapped in a K24 engine, has turbocharged it, and we are tuning it today. All right, guys, so under the hood, we have a K24 block, K20 head, BMW transmission. It has a E36 M3 5-speed transmission. This setup actually used to be an NA setup, and that's why the intake manifold's like this. It had a big throttle body with center feed, but then the owner wanted more power, and he decided to go turbo and got a custom turbo setup, and that's why it's here today, to get tuned for the turbo setup. So it is a custom intake manifold that's been modified now to be kind of a throttle body forward facing. It is a K-tuned 72mm throttle body, custom charge piping. It's got a Pulsar 5855 ball bearing turbo. The owner wanted something extremely responsive. This thing does spool up quickly. It's full boost at 3,600 RPM. It's always a trade-off, small turbo versus big turbo, so you get something responsive down low, but you're not gonna make the peak numbers. This car still made some great numbers today. I'm gonna share that with you in a moment, but it is a custom top mount turbo setup, full 3-inch exhaust, 60mm wastegate to help ensure no boost creep, 1300cc injectors. There's a 525 fuel pump in the tank, and we tuned this car on Hondata Kpro today. It is on 94 octane pump gas. Like I said, super cool setup. If I had an E30, I would definitely do a K-swap into it. Anyways, I think that's about it for the setup. If I've forgotten anything, I'll try to put it in the video description for you guys, but why don't we cut to the shots of the dyno pulls, and then we'll share the final results. right, guys, hopefully you enjoyed those dyno pulls. I'm sure you're eager to see what this thing put down today. Up on the screen, I have, I guess, the last 2 dyno pulls. We ended up running, what was it, 11.5, 12 pounds of boost, all said and done on this internally stock engine. Today we made 433 wheel horsepower, 346 foot-pounds torque. These are actually pretty good numbers for a K-series in a rear-wheel drive application. But based on the amount of boost we're running today, this is kind of right in line. Maybe it would have made a little bit more power if in a front-wheel drive application because there's a little bit less drivetrain loss. But 433 wheel horsepower and 346 foot-pounds torque are going to be pretty good in this setup, in my opinion. I can't wait to hear what the owner thinks of the power and how it drives. But that's about it for this video, guys. Hopefully you've enjoyed it. Let me know what you think in the comments. If you like the video, do me a favor, hit that like button. If you haven't already, consider subscribing, and I will continue to keep making these videos for you guys. So thanks again for watching. I'll see you again soon. Bye now.